Here we are again in the 2018 Honda Accord Sport with the 6-speed manual transmission. I wanted to make a quick video showing how the adaptive cruise control works with the stick shift. Since this is such a common feature of new cars these days, I wanted to go ahead and demonstrate it a little bit, but it's less common to see it with a manual transmission. So I wanted to go ahead and demonstrate it, answer some questions. I just tried it out for a couple minutes and I think I got the hang of it. The first question you might have is this a full speed range system? Meaning, can you do stop and go? And the answer is no. The system only works above 20 miles an hour. You can only set it at or above 20. Otherwise, if you slow down and fall below that speed, then the system shuts off. The next question is, let's say you're going, I don't know, 45, 50 miles an hour and you come up on somebody going much slower. What happens? Will the car stall if you're in too high of a gear? So let's go ahead and set the system at 45 and we'll see what happens up here. Alrighty, so the CRV is turning, the car is slowing down. There's a notification to say shift down, and it just cut the system off because we were about to stall because the car was in too high of a gear for the speed. The next question is, can you shift gears while the system is on? And the answer is yes. Let me show you how that works. Unlike older manual transmissions with regular cruise control, when you push the clutch in, it does not disable the cruise control. Like we're going about 36 right now, I'm going to downshift into 4th. Clutch is in, and now it's released, and as you can see, it's still working. We'll go down into 3rd now, back into 4th, and it's working. And I'll go into 3rd, and the system canceled itself because we were going too slowly. I'm still figuring out all the quirks and scenarios of this system. There you go. I set it right at the last second when that Yukon was slowing down, and you may have seen the shift light that came on and then the system shut off. So it's pretty cool that you can still have adaptive cruise control on a manual transmission. I'm guessing that obviously you can't really drive it in stop and go traffic like you could a car with low speed follow, but for what this is still pretty cool. And one little torquey pull here. Whoops. Jeez, well, part of that is the snow, but it's it's gonna be easy to shred the tires off this thing. Alrighty.